Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Timex Expedition digital watch with an Indiglo light that is not working. I'll be going over the easiest fixes in this simplistic but complete tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 4 things that you can try out to hopefully make your Indiglo light work once again. So first and foremost, okay, I want you to press and hold down the Indiglo button over here. So I know what you only need to just press it down in order to make it work and activate the lighting function, okay? But I want you to press and hold it down. And that's because sometimes on occasion, for whatever reason, you might have something sort of stuck in there and you might need to give it a little bit more pressure than usual. I'm actually on the chronograph function, so I'm actually going to stop it right now, okay? I'm going to go back to the let's reset it over here. Let's reset the chronograph feature, and then we're going to go back to the sort of the main mode right here. So press and hold down that Indiglo light. We're on the main screen once again. Press and hold down that Indiglo light. That's the first solution. And you should be able to sort of activate the Indiglo from any screen, not just the main screen, but it's just easier for me to explain from the main screen. So press and hold it down. That's the first fix that I want you to try out. Okay, number 2, if that doesn't work, I want you to physically look and make sure that there's nothing obstructing this button. This is a watch that's durable and rugged, so you probably use it in all sorts of situations. Maybe something is caught in there, and if something is caught in there, that might be maybe the functionality of the Indiglo works, but maybe it's not being pressed fully. So make sure there's nothing caught in there, and just feel, can you press it? Like, do you feel a tactile click when you press it? I want you to press it like this, and do you feel like almost, you won't feel a click, but do you feel it going down? If you don't feel it going down, then maybe you should clean the button. That's the solution for number 2. Okay, make sure there's nothing there, and if you're concerned that there might be something blocking it, obstructing it, clean the button. Solution number 3, clean around the button, I mean by that. Solution number 3, so before I continue, clean the button itself and clean around the button, and make sure you feel it clicking down. You can sort of see when I press it that it's actually clicking down. Make sure you see that. Solution number 3 is to reset the watch. Maybe it's just a simple software issue. It's just a glitch. To reset the watch is very simple. You remove these 4 screws. There's a battery underneath there. You pull out the battery, leave it out for about 30 seconds, put the battery back in. That should be enough of a soft reset to hopefully reset the watch, and then try it out. Maybe that will work. If that doesn't work, try out number 4, which is, think about it. Is it actually not working? And I'll tell you why. I can press this button and I'm like, wait a sec, it's not working. But in reality, the Indiglo functionality is working. If I press it right here, whoa, is it not working? No, it's just the camera. It is actually working. If I press it right here, you can kind of see it is working. Is it working? What's going on here? Yeah, it is working. The camera's not showing it working. But trust me, when I go like this, 100% it's working. It's kind of, the camera's not showing it because of the exposure, I guess, but it is, yeah, 100% it just turned on the Indiglo. So the point is, it's easy to think that it's not working because it's not super bright. It's not like the older watches where the whole screen would illuminate. This Indiglo functionality on these modern watches just illuminates almost the numbers, basically, slightly. So, you know, it's hard, it's easy to think that it's not working, but what I recommend is put it in complete darkness, like this, put your hand over it, and push that Indiglo button, and you'll see the lights sort of illuminate a little bit, and that lets you know that it's working. Don't think that it's not working when in reality you just can't see it because it's too bright. It only illuminates a little bit, not a lot. So just, you know, the 4th solution is make sure it's actually not working, because maybe it's working fine and you just think it's not working. But that's it. If your Timex Expedition digital watch like this has an Indiglo feature or function that is not working, these are the easiest fixes you can try out. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. Let me know your thoughts as a comment down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.